Here we have a 20 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK ECOBLUE. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, just there. We have the sea grey exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights. We also have the Raptor style front grille, the front lower nudge bar, the bonnet scoop as well. Round to the passenger side, you'll notice the wide arch kit. We also have the side steps on the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the roof rails just there. We also have the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. Coming around to the third alloy wheel just here, as you can see, once again unmarked. We have the rear load bay just here, as you can see. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the rear tow hook as well. Back around to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So we take a look at the last alloy wheel just there, again unmarked. Taking a look at the interior. So inside of here you'll find that we have the half leather interior. For the armrest we have the fixed ISO points as well. We also have a 12-volt connectivity and a plug socket just down there. On the doors you'll find the electric windows and the orange stitching. Taking a look at the front, once again we have the leather interior. We have the WILDTRAK just embroidered there again with the orange stitching. Both of these front seats are heated and the driver's side is also electrically adjustable. On the doors, once again, we have the electric windows with child lock for the rear. We also have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel as well. If we take a seat inside, then you'll find that we have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. We also have two digital screens either side of the dashboard. So we put our foot on the brake, press the start button just down there. The vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find that will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So we can switch between different views on the dashboard using this side of the steering wheel. So as you can see, we have the digital speedo. We can flick between different options just here, as you can see. We can also change options further over here as well. Using the left side, you'll be able to adjust the left screen just here for the infotainment. We also have the navigation and the phone connectivity. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre. On here you'll find the likes of the sat-nav. This is also a touchscreen, so if you press onto the home, it will take you to the home. We have the audio just here, which is where you find the radio. Click onto sources, you'll also find the CD player and the Bluetooth audio as well. We have the climate control just there, which is for separate for the drivers and the passenger. As you can see, you can change it to dual or just single. We have the phone connectivity, of course, the navigation just there. We also have the phone connectivity as well for the mobile apps for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have the settings, so go across there, you find further options. We also have the ambient lighting as well. As you can see, we have a few colours to choose from. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera and the parking sensors. Put it back into park though. And further down you find again the climate control. We have the heated seats on either side, which work just like so. We also have two 12-volt connectivities either side just here. We have the key just inside of that little storage pocket. We also have two USB ports just down there. A range of buttons such as the rear differential lock, we have the traction control button, the auto start stop, hill descent, and also we have the parking sensors button. We have the four-wheel drive high and low settings just down there. Two good sized cup holders. We have the nice leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage just like so. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.